How to use the virtual calculator. The CRM comes with actually two calculators. One is the regular calculator up here that you know from Windows, pretty useful, and another calculator when you click with Shift. There is the virtual calculator where you can enter formulas and they will be evaluated. So for example, it's possible to say pants 2 for 70 each plus shirts for at 45, and you can continue, of course, and then you can put parentheses depending. You can do formulas. So here you have the instructions, and basically when you get out by clicking out here, you have the total. Okay, and you still can see inside. So this is ideal when you are checking, a ticket maybe, or something that requires to know all the parts and not only and also the description. So you don't need to take care, only the symbols are taken in consideration, and you can even put some even formulas that you don't wanna consider at the moment, like you're doing some testing. So you can do double brackets, double brackets like this, okay, and in that case you see it's 140. So this one have been, all this block had been ignored. So you can do testings, and it's really useful. From here you can go to the quick notes, you can copy the result right here, or you can close. Simple as that.